Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change battery in Toyota Tundra key fob full guide. Start by opening the key fob with a flat tool at the seam, gently prying to separate the halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new CR2032 with the positive side facing up, snap the halves back together, and test the remote to ensure the buttons respond properly. Begin by finding the seam that separates the two halves of the fob, then insert a flathead screwdriver with gentle pressure. Twist slightly until the case pops open, keeping tabs on any plastic clips that may resist. Once open, remove the circuit board or battery retainer to reveal the battery. Handle the circuit board by its edges and set it on a soft surface to avoid static or damage before replacing the battery. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading repair manuals and step guides while you work, and it makes a great companion in the garage. I mention it because it keeps instructions handy without dirtying your phone, and you can find the link and deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. When installing the new CR2032 battery, be sure to match the orientation of the old cell precisely to maintain correct polarity. Gently clean the contact surfaces if needed to ensure a reliable connection, and avoid touching battery faces with bare fingers to keep oils off the metal. Reassemble the fob by aligning clips and snapping the halves together, then press each button to verify the remote now transmits correctly to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.